We getting into these Eagles turkey wings. We getting into these Eagles turkey wings, baby. At the Eagle Alchemy Kitchen. That's what we doing. That's what we doing. Getting it right. Getting it right. Every tiny bit. We are doing what we gotta do. And none of this stuff is salty. This is all good, natural ingredients. No salt. Not a lot of salt anyway. Like, you know, some seasonings be having just sodium. I don't play that. But we got it hitting. Not missing. We go get the special marinade that I made. I let the marinade sit overnight. Marinade. A little in that corner. A little over there. Where else? I'm back here. There we go. Marinade. We're going to add a little water, some sticks of butter, the secret sauce, and I'll show y'all how I look when it come out. Look at that. That's how you season some stuff. All right.